Hello friends, in this video we will discuss about heat exchangers for thermal engineering 1. So first of all, one definition of heat exchangers. A heat exchanger is a system used to transfer heat between two or more fluids. A piece of equipment built for efficient heat transfer from one medium to another. So this called heat exchangers. Introduction of heat exchanger. A heat exchanger is a piece of equipment built for efficient heat transfer from one medium to another medium. Friends, heat exchangers are widely used in space heating, refrigeration, air conditioning, power plants, chemical plant, petrochemical plants, petroleum, refinery, natural gas processing and sewage treatment. Friends, three types of heat exchanger mainly available, and these types is depend on flow arrangement. Flow, hot fluid and cold fluid flow arrangement is depend on types of heat exchanger. So first one in parallel flow heat exchangers, second one counter flow heat exchanger, and third one is cross flow heat exchanger. In parallel flow heat exchanger, the two fluids enter the exchanger at the same end and travel in parallel to one another to the other side. Friends, hot fluid and cold fluid direction is same. In counter flow heat exchanger, the fluids enter the exchanger from opposite ends. The counter current design is the most efficient. Friends, hot fluid direction and cold fluid flow direction is opposite direction. Third one, in a cross flow heat exchanger, the fluids travel roughly perpendicular to one another through the exchanger. Hot fluid and cold fluid flow direction is completely perpendicular direction. Friends, again, types of heat exchanger: double pipe heat exchanger, shell and tube heat exchanger, plate heat exchanger, plate and shell heat exchanger, adiabatic wheel heat exchanger, plate fin heat exchanger, pillow plate heat exchanger, fluid heat exchanger, waste heat recovery units, dynamic scrap surface heat exchanger, direct contact heat exchanger, HVAC air coils spiral heat exchanger. So all of these heat exchanger we will discuss about. So plate and shell heat exchanger. A third type of heat exchanger is a plate and shell heat exchanger, which combine plate heat exchanger with shell and the tube heat exchanger technology. Plate heat exchanger. Another type of heat exchanger is the plate heat exchanger. These exchangers are composed of many thin, slightly separated plates. And shell and tube heat exchanger. Shell and tube available in heat exchanger. Spiral heat exchanger. Tubes is combined in spiral shape. Friends, double pipe heat exchanger and shell tube heat exchanger are mainly used in industrial use. Friends, shell and tube heat exchanger consist of series of tubes which contain fluid that must be either heat or cooled. A second fluid runs over the tubes that are being heated or cooled so that it can either provide it the heat or absorb the heat required. A set of tubes, friends, a set of tubes is called the tube bundle and can be made of several types of tube, plain and fin shape. Shell and tube heat exchanger are typically used for high pressure. In shell tube heat exchanger, tube diameter, tube thickness, tube length, tube pitch, tube layout, baffle design, vary parameter are considered in shell tube heat exchanger. Again, plate fin heat exchanger. This type of heat exchanger use sandwich passes containing fins to increase the effectiveness of the unit. The design include cross flow and counter flow coupled with various fin configuration such as a straight fins. Phase change heat exchanger, waste heat recovery units, HVAC air coils are various another types of heat exchanger. So again we will discuss about double pipe heat exchanger. It is also known as concentric tube heat exchanger. In this heat exchanger, the fluid to be cooled or heat pass through the tube second, as shown in figure green tube, and the other fluid is passed through the tube 1, as shown in figure red, to absorb or release the heat. Advantage: cheap for both design and maintenance. Disadvantage: low efficiency and require large space. Practically, double pipe heat exchanger. Double pipe heat exchanger application. Friends, use of double pipe heat exchanger. Pressurization, digester heating, heat recovery, preheating, effluent cooling. Shell and tube heat exchanger. One set of these tubes contain the fluid that must be either heat or cooled. The second fluid runs over the tubes and that are being heated or cooled so that it can be either provided the heat or absorb the heat required. Friends, in this figure, three types of heat exchanger: straight tube heat exchanger, U-tube heat exchanger. So, in U-tube heat exchanger, the pipe and tube is in U shape. Friends, fluids in and fluids out are inlet and outlet is showing in this figure, and different parameter of heat exchanger are also showing in this figure. Friends, shell and tube heat exchanger application: cooling of hydraulic fluid, cooling of engine oils, cooling or heat swimming pool water or charged air. Again, plate heat exchanger. It is composed of multiple thin, slightly separated plates that have very large surface area and fluid flow passage for heat transfer. As shown in figure, the different plates are arranged in plate heat exchanger. The plates are often spaced by rubber sealing gaskets which are cemented into a section around the edge of the plates. The plates are pressed to form troughs at right angle to the direction of flow of the liquid which runs through the channel in the heat exchanger. These troughs are arranged so that they interlink with the other plates which forms the channel with gap of 1.3 to 1.5 mm between the plates. Practically, plate heat exchanger are shown in this figure. The plates can be replaced after getting corroded. If the temperature difference to be acquired is to be increased, then it can be done by adding more plates. Plate heat exchanger application in water heater, in cooling tower isolation, in free cooling system, waste heat recovery system, heat pump isolation, thermal storage system, and etc. Spiral heat exchanger. Friends, this heat exchanger is rarely used in industry. A spiral heat exchanger may be referred to a helical tube configuration. Efficient use of space, they can be easily cleaned. Spiral heat exchanger is mainly used in dairy industry. A spiral heat exchanger is coiled tube arrangement with two channels coiled one around the another. These two channels operates in counterflow arrangement, offering excellent turn down ratio while optimizing flow patterns which in turn enhance heat transfer. In this figure, spiral heat exchanger is shown. Friends, spiral heat exchanger tubes are spiral shape. Selection criteria of heat exchanger. Friends, cost is considered, pressure limits, thermal performance, temperature ranges, product pressure drops across the exchanger, fluid flow capacity, maintenance, repairing, so material required for construction like nickel, copper, iron, ability and age of future expansion. So this criteria is considered in selection of heat exchanger in any industries. Again, maintenance of heat exchanger. Plate heat exchanger must be deassembled and cleaned periodically. Tubular heat exchanger can be cleaned by such method as acid cleaning, sandblasting, high pressure water jet, bullet cleaning or drill rods. In large scale cooling water system for heat exchanger, water treatment such as purification, addition of chemicals and testing is used to minimize fouling of the heat exchanger equipment. Other water treatment is also used in steam system for power plants, etc. to minimize fouling and corrosion of heat exchanger and other equipment. Spiral heat exchanger application. Pasteurization of milk, exhaust and air handling system, thermal depolymerization.